Today we're breaking down Ruh.ai, a platform that positions itself as the last marketing tool you'll ever need. In this video, I'll walk you through what it is, the features it offers for sales and marketing teams, and what you can expect if you're considering using it. Stick around till the end because I'll also share an alternative that might be a better fit depending on your use case. If you don't know me, I'm Sam. I spend my time testing and reviewing AI SDRs, sales automation platforms, and outbound tools. So you're about to get straight, no fluff breakdown right here. Ruh.ai is built around the concept of AI agents that automate core sales and marketing workflows. The platform lets you generate content in seconds, plan and schedule posts, run outreach campaigns, and even repurpose content automatically. It integrates with over 40 apps out of the box, which means you can connect it with the tools you're using already. The workflow is simple. You set up an agent, connect your data, and let it handle repetitive tasks like drafting personalized emails, optimizing outreach campaigns, and scaling lead generation. Another big point Ruh highlights is ready-to-use AI workflows. You don't need to design from scratch. You can pick from pre-built workflows for things like lead nurturing, campaign optimization, or more. If you need more control, there's also a unified dashboard where you can customize and monitor everything in one place. The pricing details aren't listed, so you'll need to get on a demo to get a quote. That's worth keeping in mind if you want clear costs up front. Also, if you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing. Let's keep going. So if you want an alternative that's transparent and is a demon at sales, I suggest you take a look at Agent Frank. Agent Frank is a full outbound machine that covers everything from email infrastructure setup to lead generation, outreach, objection handling, and meeting booking, all on autopilot. I made a full video about Agent Frank right here, so go watch it next.